In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the language of your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're looking to make your profile more accessible to a broader audience or simply prefer to navigate LinkedIn in another language, this tutorial will help you achieve just that. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening your web browser and navigating to linkedin.com. Ensure you're logged into your account, and if you're not, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a variety of options and features, but for now, we'll focus on your profile. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you'll find your profile icon, which is typically a small version of your profile picture. Give it a click. This icon is your gateway to all the personal settings and options related to your profile, so it's a good spot to familiarize yourself with as you navigate LinkedIn. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see several options, but the one you're interested in is labeled View Profile. Click on this option and it will take you to your profile page. This is the hub of your LinkedIn presence, displaying your professional history, skills, and connections. Once you're on your profile page, start scrolling down the page. As you scroll, you'll pass sections like your summary, experience, and education. Keep going until you reach the bottom right corner of the page. This is where the language settings are tucked away. In the bottom right corner, you'll find an option labeled Language. Clicking on this will open a list of available languages that LinkedIn supports. It's important to note that changing the language here will affect how your profile is displayed to others who view it in the selected language. It's a fantastic feature if you're multilingual or want to connect with colleagues abroad. Now, simply select the language you wish to use. LinkedIn offers a wide range of languages, so you're likely to find the one you need. Once you've made your choice, the changes will be applied instantly. Your profile will now be displayed in the language you selected, making it easier for native speakers of that language to understand your professional background and skills. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language of your LinkedIn profile. This small adjustment can have a big impact, especially if you're looking to expand your professional network across different regions or simply prefer a different language for personal use. If you ever need to switch back to another language, just repeat these steps and select a new language. It's simple and efficient, allowing you to tailor your LinkedIn experience to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your LinkedIn experience. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tutorials. See you next time.